what I love about her course is that she uses her experience as a biologist to explain a lot of the science behind those common fears that many of us struggle with on a day-to-day, right? So things like fear of not being good enough or fear of failure, which manifests itself in not applying for the job that you really want, or staying in relationships past their expiration date because you feel you're not good enough, right? These very like real life things that if you're not paying attention can kind of sabotage your success and your life. Um, Mary's lessons are super clear and concise, and she walks through a lot of why that happens, why you experience this fear, both on a physiological and psychological level, and also how to build the skill sets to reshape that relationship with fear so that you don't hesitate when that job offer comes up, and you know how to make better decisions. Um, she also teaches you how to rewrite your fear stories, which I love. One exercise is reshaping your fear as a fairy tale, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You write down your fear story as if it were a fairy tale, and you are the hero. And one thing I really loved about that exercise, and I felt that it helped me with, is it allowed me to kind of step back and step outside of myself so that I could have a little bit more compassion with myself, which, as someone who struggled with even accepting fear as a natural part of just being human, that was a big deal. I could be, and I can be still, right, very hard on myself. And like many of us growing up, I was taught that fear was a weakness, and I don't think that I realized how deeply this impacted me until I had to do some of the exercises that Mary encourages you to do in this course.